How hard do you work to clean your skin? With all the makeup, oil, and sweat that gets stuck deep in pores, it's tough to get a real deep clean. Cleansing by hand may not be enough, and cleansing devices are way too expensive. Now here's something new from Proactive to decongest your pores and save you money. This is the first facial brush with a new micro-massage silicone head, specially designed by our dermatologist. Rows of soft silicone fingers give you up to 5 layers of deep cleansing power.
I love the brush. It makes me feel like I'm getting a spa service. Just feel like I feel everything getting into every little nook and cranny that my fingers might miss.
Go gentle mode for sensitive skin or deep cleansing speed to unlock the most stubborn, clogged pores. Feel your skin breathe again.
Your skin is just so fresh and soft after. It's just like heaven.
$19.95 to get started. Throw in the brush. That's amazing.